Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kriti and my blog's name is The She Things. I have another holiday set review to do today. The first time I'm trying anything from this brand, and this is also the first time I've tried US shipping, international shipping. So I wanted to share my experience with you. So let's get right into it. Tarte is a well-known brand in US and they are known for their amazing packaging and the fact that they make most of the products that are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. I think most of their products are free of parabens, sulfates, gluten, and are completely vegan friendly. I started shipping to India a few months back. If you order about 5,000 rupees or more, then they have free shipping options for you. Recently had an offer of free international shipping on any order, and I thought it's the perfect time to try out their products. Currently, they have a lot of holiday sets and gift sets on their website. I have always been interested in their creamy lip paints ever since they came out with it. I have seen swatches online and they look really interesting, and generally, I don't know about you all, but generally whenever I'm trying out a new brand, a lipstick is the first thing that I try out because I use several different type of lipstick. I feel I can use them up much more than any other product. So I opted for this tiny little lip contour set by Tarte. So it has a mini of their creamy lip paint in the shade TBH and a lip liner pencil in the shade Mauve. I am absolutely obsessed with this color, this shade of lipstick right now. I'm trying it in almost every brand that I can. I have to say I love the shade. I think it complements medium skin tones perfectly. It's very work appropriate and it's very easy to carry anywhere, any time of the day. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this shade. Let me show you the packaging as well. It comes in this nice shiny golden packaging with all the product details and ingredients etc. mentioned on this, and this tiny little bunny over here says this product is cruelty free. This is the Tarteist creamy lip paint with the Tarteist lip liner pencil. Together they make the lip contour set that they sell in full size as well. When you take them out, look how cute they are. So you get one tiny little pencil, lip liner pencil right here, and a cute little lip paint. This is just 1 ml of lip paint and this pencil is about, I think, 0.04 grams. So these are really tiny things. I think I'm going to get maybe 15 to 20 uses out of this paint because as you can see, just one layer goes opaque on my lip. The packaging of the lip paint with this black lid, when you take it out, it's got a nice doe foot applicator. This is the softest sponge tip applicator I've ever used, and I've used a lot of liquid lipsticks. I don't know what they've done to this and how they've made it so soft, but it just feels as if it's caressing your lips when you're applying it. And without a doubt, this is the smoothest liquid lipstick I've ever used. It's quite pigmented just on one swatch, as you can see. It has a nice minty scent to it which you can't really make out after application. It sets to an absolute matte finish within a few seconds of application. You don't have to wait for a long time for it to dry out completely. It is not completely transfer proof, so if I do a kiss test, a little bit of it does transfer onto the surfaces that you are touching, whether it's your cutlery or whatever you're eating, or you're taking a sip of coffee or tea from your cup, then it does transfer a little bit. But there's enough pigmentation left on the lips that you don't have to reach out for the liquid lipstick and immediately do a touch-up. So it will last easily through light snacking, and on my lips it lasts about 4 to 5 hours, which is not the best that I have got out of a liquid lipstick, to be honest. I think the best liquid lipstick longevity wise that I've ever used are the Balm Meet Matte Hughes lipsticks. Lasted on me all day long. Even the NYX liquid suede lip creams, they last for a very long time on my lips, maybe even 8 to 10 hours. So this is not that long lasting. Also, it can easily be removed with warm water and a little bit of soap. You don't need a makeup remover, and it also does not stain your lips after you remove it, which for me is really good. I don't like too much of staining on the lips. Coming to the lip liner, guys, I don't know, maybe a bad piece or something, and I've heard a lot of good things about this from a lot of bloggers. But when I tried it, I I can't really get much pigmentation out of this no matter what I do. Even after several passes, as you can see, it's not given a lot of pigmentation. And also when I first washed it, it was really dry. Drying it was a pain. It really felt like I'm tricking myself for getting another tattoo made. It was very hard at the first time. Now it's become slightly softer, but I don't know where the pigmentation is. What is the use of a lip liner if I don't get any pigmentation when I'm applying it? So this has been a major disappointment for me. I don't think I'm going to purchase another one. Next thing that I got from Tarte is this cute little scrublet. This is exclusively available on Tarte, and as far as I know, when this was launched, people went berserk. They went completely mental about it. Pulled out within minutes, and so I'm glad I could get my hands on an exclusive product like this. Soft silicone scrublet. It's got a cute little knob right here. You can slip your fingers through it and then easily just scrub your face. As is, when I'm scrubbing my face or just massaging my face, I tend to use my fingers like so. I think this is a genius idea for them to come up with something like this. And I can continue with my regular routine way of washing my face and just slip in this scrublet in between my fingers. This does feel quite soothing and relaxing to your face when you're doing it. I feel it could really clean the pores around my nose especially, and around my cheeks right here, which are a little bit larger. And overall I felt my face to be a little bit more more smooth and kind of felt a little bit more polished. I recommend using this not more than twice a week. You don't need to scrub your face more than that. And anybody who has very dry or flaky skin or has acne or irritable skin must stay away from this. This is only going to make your skin worse. I've used this scrublet with my regular face wash, the Clinique face wash that I use normally. That's a liquid face wash, and I've also used this with a regular soap on my face, and I feel that it works better with the traditional liquid face washes that you get. It doesn't help too much in the foaming action. It's not going to make your face wash foam up or lather up more. It does help in getting the gunk out of your face. If you come from outside, from a long commute or from a workout or something, then you would especially find this very useful. You can easily incorporate this in your night FaceTime routine and you'll see the difference in your skin. As far as the shipping and all is concerned, guys, I charge any shipping because they had a limited time offer. As I said, they had free international shipping offer going on at that time. So I was not charged anything for the shipping. This was sent to me through DHL Global, so I could track the package, and I think I placed the order on 16 November and it had reached the country already within 10 days. By 26 November it was here. For the next 12 days it was held up at the customs office only. That literally gave me jitters. I didn't know what was going to happen because I have heard of people just not even getting their packages. Their packages had been held up at customs for months together. Finally it was released after 12 days of being held at customs. I don't know what they were trying to check in this. This is just a tiny little package. I had to pay custom duty for this. When the delivery guy came, he asked for about 540 rupees as just the custom fee. I guess you should keep that in mind if you're ordering something, that you will be charged custom fee. It's very rare that they let go of the custom fee. So you might want to factor that in your budget when you're placing an order. So I suggest if you're planning for any international purchases, then you should really look out for the offers that they have, like free shipping or up to 50% off or buy one get one. Get as much discount as you can. You can save up on that money because you will have to anyways pay for the custom duty that comes in later. So I hope you liked this video and found it informative. I'm going to shop a lot more from Tarte very soon, and if you do, then let me know your experience as well, and do share your comments and pictures with me. I would love to hear what you purchased. I've also filmed a tutorial for the eye look that I'm wearing currently, so if you're interested in that, then do stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye bye.